Welcome back everyone to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can lower or increase your difficulty level on the Watch Dogs game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Watch Dogs on your device and you may continue playing from wherever you last left off. Now, while you are playing, if you wish to lower or increase your difficulty level, simply pause the game by pressing the escape button and now go into options. From options, go into the gameplay options and here you will find the difficulty level setting. You can use the left or right arrow to switch between easy, normal, hard, and realistic. Choose your desired level and click on the apply option, and you can go back into your game to play with your chosen difficulty level. If you feel that the difficulty level is too high or too low in the future, you can once again follow the same steps. Press the escape button, go into options, and then gameplay, and once again you can choose your desired difficulty level. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your difficulty level on the Watch Dogs game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next one.